So, finally, the DJI Mini 5 Pro will be launched on September 18th, as confirmed by a reliable tipster. A snapshot was leaked, which appears to be an internal product memo from the DJI Camera Department. The date also aligns with the previously rumored mid-September release schedule. Though some leakers believe that DJI could launch the drone on the 16th, so DJI might announce it first, and the shipping could go live on the 18th. Meanwhile, many tipsters are posting tons of DJI Mini 5 Pro images and sharing every update about the drone. With anticipation growing higher for the DJI Mini 5 Pro just before its launch, we have more detailed information about it, along with new promo images, which all indicate that this sub 250-gram drone is ready to take over the skies. So, if you're looking to buy one for yourself or considering an upgrade, this is what you can expect from the Mini 5 Pro. First things first, you really have to appreciate DJI for being able to keep the drone under 250 grams, even with so many upgrades and improvements. The DJI Mini 5 Pro includes high-end features, all in a compact body. Now, as we mentioned earlier, Igor Bogdanov has shared some high-quality renders of the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro, which showcase a clear look at the drone. Besides, he also shared images for the accessories, improved click-on propellers, and intelligent battery modules. However, this year, DJI decided to bring up so many prominent upgrades to the drone. To start with, you get a 1-inch larger sensor, which is embedded right on the camera gimbal. You will be able to shoot 4K HDR videos up to 120 frames per second. Besides, the larger sensor brings so much more to the table, such as sharper images, better low-light footage, and many more. To get the most out of this new sensor, the Mini 5 Pro will have ND filters from 8 to 128 stops. These are made to flawlessly attach to the drone, so if you know how to capture, you can get images as close as one can get to the picture quality of the DJI Mavic 4. Now, a lot of you might think that since DJI is considering so many upgrades, you might have to sacrifice battery life. Absolutely not, rather. DJI surprises everyone with a promise to deliver up to 52 minutes of flight time with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. That is huge for a drone of this size, and a massive leap compared to Mini 4 Pro's 45-ish minutes. At this point, almost every detail about the drone has been leaked. We have also seen the leaked box for the Fly Combo package and hands-on images. However, what makes the Mini 5 Pro more appealing is that it costs the same as its predecessor. Meaning, you get better cameras, way more features, and extended flight time, all at $799 for the standard combo. And for the Fly More combo, you have to pay $1,399, which is also pretty reasonable. So, undoubtedly, this will be the right time to upgrade if you are using any of the previous Mini drones. The Mini 5 Pro combines pro-grade features such as a LiDAR sensor for obstacle sensing, more flight time to capture for longer hours, and a revamped camera for great cinematography, all under a 249-gram shell. So, are you willing to buy the Mini 5 Pro? Throw all your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated with all the latest tech news.